Sujit, recording is started. You can start your presentation.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Hello. Good afternoon, all. My name is Sujit Kumar Sanjay Deshpande. My presentation topic is machine learning. Now, let's move. Here is my content: introduction, abstract, how it works, literature survey, and conclusion. Introduction: the scientific field of machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence as defined by the computer scientist and machine learning pioneer means the first invented by the Tom M. Mitchell, and it says that machine learning is the study of computer algorithm that allows computer program to automatically improve through experience. An algorithm can be through as a set of rules instructions that a computer programmer specifies which computer is able to process. Simply uh, put, machine learning algorithm learn by experience, similar to how humans do. For example, after having seen multiple examples of an object, a computer employing machine algorithm can become able to recognize that object in new, previously unseen scenarios. This is the abstract. As we all know, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. With the help of that, we can complete our tasks by with the help of regression algorithm. Like there are a lot of algorithm in machine learning. Uh, then we can take forward how it works. Machine learning is the one of the most exciting subset of artificial intelligence. It completes the task of learning from data with specified input to the machine. It's important to understand what makes machine learning work and thus how it can be used in future. The machine learning process starts with the inputting training data into the selected algorithm. Training data being known or unknown data to develop the final machine learning algorithm. Then the type of training data input does impact the algorithm, and that concept will be covered further momentarily. To test whether this algorithm works correctly, then we can give new input data set and feed into the machine learning algorithm. The prediction and result are then checked. If the prediction is not expected, then the algorithm is retrained multiple number of times until the desired output is found. Literature survey. Here we can take the vehicle price prediction using SVM techniques. SVM means support vector machines. It is the type of machine learning algorithm. Support vector machine is a supervised machine learning algorithm which can be used for both classification or regression challenges. However, it mostly used in classification problems, and also the support vector machine are simply to the coordinate of the individual observation. Here we can take the this is the introduction of one research paper that I have found in internet. The vehicle price prediction. Prediction the price of new vehicles is more interesting and the needed problem by many users. The dataset has been collected in the year of 2014 from the statistical field says that 84% of vehicles had been bought for their own personal uses. Later, this percent has been increased very much because people has more interested to buy a new vehicle often and also showing more interest on finding the price of new vehicles. This increases the efficiency of prediction techniques only with the help of experts and their corresponding knowledge. We can achieve more accurate prediction for vehicle price. So the varying prediction algorithm from machine learning suits this topic for more efficiently. While predicting price of vehicles, we need at entire different features and factors. The most significant feature is brand, model of vehicle, and also the price of vehicle. The most popular ingredient for a vehicle is type of fuel and the volume of the fuel in which it consumes for each mile. This particular data set might highly affect the price of vehicle, and also we need to consider the price of fuel because it may changes frequently. Now we can consider for four wheelers also. Varying more features might require for four wheelers than two wheelers. The variety of features such as exterior color, door numbers, types of transmission, dimensions, safety, air condition, interior, whether it has navigation or not will also influence the vehicle price. In this paper, we apply different methods and techniques in order to achieve higher precision of the used vehicle price prediction. Then this is the survey. This is the author submission. They have done the prediction of vehicle price from the historical data that has been collected from the daily newspaper. They have used the supervised machine learning algorithm technique for prediction of the price of vehicles. Many other algorithms such as multiple linear regression, k nearest neighbor algorithm, new Bayes, and some decision tree algorithm also been used. All the four algorithms are compared and found the best algorithm for prediction. They have faced some difficulties in comparing the algorithms. Somehow they have managed. According to the author Patta Birman, this paper is more concentrated on the relation between seller and buyer. In order to predict the price of four-wheelers, more features are required, such as already given price, mileage, make, model, trim, type, cylinder, liter, doors, cruise, sound, leather. Using these features, the price of vehicles has been predicted with the help of statistical analysis system or exploratory data analysis. According to the author, in his Jejik et al. In this paper, the mainly concentrated on collecting various data from web portal by using web scrape techniques, and those have been compared with the help of different machine learning algorithms to predict the vehicle price. In easy manner, they classified the price according to the different ranges of the price that is already given. Artificial neural network support vector machine. As we all know, support vector machine is used for classification and regression techniques, and it is very useful for the predicted car price or any of the vehicles. Then random forest algorithm were used on different data sets to build classifiers models. In that, we can another approach was given by Richardson. This is also a great scientist. Research paper I found in internet. In his thesis work, in his theory, it states that more durable vehicles will be produced by vehicle producer. He compared the hybrid vehicle and the traditional vehicle in who actually retain their value for longer time using multiple regression techniques. This improves the environmental condition, and also it helps to provide huge efficiency of using fuels. Then Wu et al. In this newspaper, these are the newspaper they have used in neurophysics knowledge based system to demonstrate vehicle price prediction by considering the following attributes such as brand, year of production, type of engine, and they predicted a model which has similar result as the simple regression model. Moreover, they made an expert system named ODAV, means optimal distribution auction vehicles. As there is a high demand for the selling and the buy vehicles at the end of the leasing years by the vehicle dealer, the system gives insight into the best prices and also the for vehicles as well as the location where the best price can be gained. To predict a price of vehicle, the k nearest neighbor machine learning algorithm has been used, which is based on regression models. More number of vehicles has been exchanged through this system, so this particular system is more successfully managed. Then these are the conclusion. As we all know, vehicle price prediction can be challenging task in the to the more number of attributes that should can be considered in the vehicles. The collection and the pre-processing of data is the major step in prediction. In this paper, to normalize, standardize, and the clean the data, PHP script were built. This will use to avoid unnecessary noise for machine learning algorithm. The prediction performance must be increased by using the data cleaning process. But in this paper, the insufficient set of complex data is the drawback. Here, we will get only 50% result on applying the single machine learning algorithm. Therefore, we propose multiple groups of machine learning algorithms to gain more accuracy and achieve 93% of efficiency. This comparison, single and multiple groups of machine learning algorithm is significant, and also it overcomes the drawback of single machine learning algorithm, which is given in proposed system. Although this system has achieved valuable performance in vehicle price prediction, our aim for future work is to test this system to work successfully with various data sets. Thank you so much. Here is also one data set I have found in the internet. Just a second. This is the machine learning techniques used in medical data analysis. These are the it is given by the Lavanya Vemupalli, assistant professor Hyderabad, and Dr. P.
That is
Chandra
not visible,
Shekhar.
Sujit. Whatever you want to show, it is not visible.
Okay, sir. Just a minute, sir. I will reshare, sir. Sir, now it is visible. Hello.
Wait. Yes.
Okay, sir. This is the example of machine learning. We can use machine learning algorithm in medical data analysis, such as here we can use also SPM, and also we can use different types of algorithms such as linear regression, decision tree, and more. Okay. Now we can start. We will start. Machine learning plays a significant role among the areas of artificial intelligence. During recent years, machine learning has been attracting many researchers, and it has been successfully applied in many fields, such as medical education, forecasting, etc. Right now, the diagnosis of disease is mostly from expert decision. Diagnosis is a major task in clinical science, and as it is crucial in determining if a patient is having the disease or not. This is decided by the suitable path of treatment for the disease diagnosis. Applying machine learning techniques for disease diagnosis using intelligent algorithm has been research area of computer science. This paper throws a light of the comprehensive survey on the machine learning application in the medical disease prognosis during the past diseases. Here is the some data set with the help of this is the author, and with the help of that we can this is the author Tomer et al, and this is publishes in 2014, and methodology is feature selection based least square twins SVM. Means it has a herd disease data set. With the help of that, we can find out how many patients have a heart disease related problem. Now there are a lot of authors have given various data sets like breast cancer, DNA microarray gene, and cardiography, and brain tumor, heart disease, cardiac pathology, and so many others. With the help of its conclusion is to here is the conclusion. We can now. I will just talk on conclusion. There are a lot of scientists gave various preferable and also the most correct, and with the help of that we can find the disease, and we can take the data set from that, and we can use this data set to classify the patient from various diseases. Conclusion is that hence a comprehensive survey has been carried out on previous workout. Means that in that we can use KNN of Fuji system and several classifiers similar to support vector machine, and also with the help of machine learning we can and also we can use Bayesian theorem. Bayesian network has been focused in this survey. Lastly, the data mining techniques, machine learning approach, and several other algorithms has proved their efficiency in the area of medical data analysis and the prediction of diseases. Okay, that is over. Thank you for attending.